Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, with the qualification window for the Tokyo World Athletics Championships closing on August 24, there are a few Jamaican athletes who didn't achieve the qualifying standard, but who could still make the team via the quota route. Now, as you'll hear in this report from Kian Reyna, some of the nation's athletes who medaled at the recent NACAC Championships are in the world rankings quota.
National hammer throw record holder Nayoka Clunis knows all too well that being in the quota ranking doesn't guarantee a spot on the team. Administrative bungling by the J3As left her name off the team's list to the 2024 Paris Olympic Games, and her quota spot went to another athlete from another country. Now Clunis, the NACAC silver medalist, is once again in the world quota rankings, being 33rd in her event. 2019 World Championship discus silver medalist Frederick Dakers, who finished second at the National Championship, missed the mark of 67.50 meters to qualify for Tokyo. But the NACAC champion is 14th in the world rankings and 3rd in the Jamaican ranking, behind national champion Ralford Mullings and Olympic champion Roger Stoner. However, with Stoner switching allegiance to represent Turkey, NACAC bronze medalist Chad Wright, who is next in the world rankings, could have a shot. With world and Olympic long jump silver medalist Wayne Pinnock also switching allegiance to Turkey, NACAC champion Nikolai Williams is the next best Jamaican in the event, and despite not meeting the 8.27 meters standard, he makes it in the quota, as does NACAC bronze medalist Sean D. Thompson. 2022 World Championship mile relay silver medalist Christopher Taylor didn't get the 20.16 seconds automatic qualifying standard for the men's 200 meters, but with Oblique Seville, who is 3rd on the list, only focusing on the 100 meters, the NACAC silver medalist is in the quota rankings. Gabrielle Matthews bagged bronze in the women's 200 meters and moved into the world ranking quota to 41st. Matthews was 2nd at the national championship in 22.80 seconds, behind Ashanti Moore, who achieved the 22.57 standard after clocking a personal best of 22.40 seconds. Sharika Jackson automatically qualifies for Tokyo as the defending champion. Dejane Oakley and Nisha Berger also have the qualifying standard, but based on TVJ Sports checks, Oakley will be focusing on the 400 meters. That leaves the door open for Matthews, who clocked 23.02 for 3rd at NACAC. National champion Rashid McDonald, who won the men's 400 meters final in a season's best of 44.89, missed the world championship qualifying mark of 44.85 with a bizarre celebration with about 10 meters to go. But the national record holder is in the quota ranking, along with Delana Kennedy, who finished 2nd at the national championship, but the latter could miss out with Sean Bailey and Bovell McPherson qualifying by entry standard. World champion Antonia Watson has an automatic ticket. The likes of national champion Kellyanne Beckford and Adele Tracy are among the quota spots in the women's 800 meters. The quota for the 100, 200 and 400 is capped at 48 athletes for the championships. The women's mile relay and mixed 4x4 relay teams qualified by the top list based on their times run at the Paris Olympic Games. The top 16 teams in each relay event will make the cut for the World Championships. The final list of teams eligible for entry through the top list will be published on August 27, 2025. Live and exclusive coverage of the World Athletics Championships from Tokyo can be seen on TVJ, TVJ SN.
And of course, will also be on One Spot Needed.